it is. If anybody knows what it is, leave it down in the comments. But I thought it was neat when I seen it. I'll share it with everybody. There you go. Y'all enjoyed it. We're gonna go see what else. Well, I'll let it go a little bit longer. I'll go ahead and stop it here. Anybody knows what it is, let us know. Unidentified military object. That's what we'll call it right